Hi, I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to tell you about our Cajun Street seasoning blend. Most other Cajun seasonings are just salt and heat, so we set out to make one that was more authentic and complex. This ultra savory seasoning blend is made with 20 herbs and spices. It's got paprika and coriander, onion, cumin, oregano, basil, celery seed, and the list just keeps going. Cajun Street adds a bold, lightly spicy flavor to just about anything, but we like to put it to work in those classic Cajun dishes like jambalaya or deviled eggs, or try something new like a Cajun shrimp foil packet dinner. No cleanup. Give it a try on anything that calls for Cajun or blackening seasoning, maybe even on your next hamburger. For these recipes and more, check out urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.